Disney has just announced it's delaying its July 17th reopen date. Oh my God! Wow, who could have seen this coming? Disneyland has issued a statement saying that the state of California has now indicated that it will not issue theme park reopening guidelines until sometime after July 4. Once we have a clearer understanding of when guidelines will be released, we expect to be able to communicate a reopening date. Is waiting for state guidelines really the reason Disney pulled the plug on the July 17th reopen date? It could have been a dozen unions representing about 17,000 Disney cast members writing a letter to Governor Gavin Newsom asking him to force Disney to delay the reopening. Or it could have been that petition on change.org that has been signed by over 50,000 Disneyland Park employees and annual pass holders.
Maybe it was last week's sudden surge in coronavirus cases across the U.S., or the surge in cases in California, or rising infection rates in Orange County, or rising infection rates in the city of Anaheim.
To further complicate this issue, it came out that the County of Orange asked the city of Anaheim to conceal COVID-19 data in a region of Anaheim known as West Anaheim. The County of Orange claims that the reason they didn't want this data released is because it's still being reviewed by lawyers. Well, I don't know why you'd bring in lawyers to discuss delivering vital information to citizens, but I'll bet you the County of Orange has the city of Anaheim's best interest at heart. And so does the city of Anaheim. Take Mayor Harry Sidhu, for instance. In an Anaheim City Council meeting last week, Anaheim City Council member Jose Moreno asked the mayor what he thought about the rising COVID-19 cases in his city, to which the mayor responded, "I'm going to move on. I'm sorry, Councilmember Moreno. You've had enough time to discuss this. You can discuss this on your own time." Interesting. So I guess the mayor's plan to tackle the city's burgeoning corona issue is to ignore it. What a great plan. Because if the recent past has taught us anything, it's that ignoring the issue always makes it better. Maybe the mayor really wants Disneyland to reopen. I guess that sucks for people in West Anaheim. Wait a second. I'm in West Anaheim.
What is really going on in West Anaheim? I want Disneyland to reopen too, but I also want to live. And we've already seen the consequences of opening up too soon. How can we be sure when it's safe to reopen? I really need a haircut. Why does the County of Orange need to bring in lawyers to give us information? What an interesting time to be alive. Has anyone heard from the medical experts lately? What are they saying right now?
We are not even beginning to be over this. Not even beginning to be over this. Well, we have way too much virus across the country for that right now.
Too much virus across the country.
Well, that's our show for this week, everybody. How did I get home? A phone call? From someone central to what's been happening in West Anaheim. Is it the mayor? It's a video call. Hello? Who is this?
Yeah, I'm COVID-19. Yeah, can we hurry this up? I'm extremely busy right now.
Well, you must be working hard, my friend, because a record number of humans have met you this past week.
Yeah.
First of all, where are you?
Oh, yeah, I met some kid over at Walmart. He brought me to his house. This is his stuff.
Right. So how do you feel about what's going on in the city of Anaheim?
What's a city?
I guess someone that knows no boundaries wouldn't know what a city is.
Now, I don't concern myself with the ways humans limit themselves. And also, what's a boundary?
Do you know what Disneyland is?
Should I?
Well, Disneyland is a place where many, many humans used to congregate, but it's been closed to keep you from spreading.
Oh, yeah? Tell me, how'd that work out for you? You should open Disneyland back up. It sounds like a fun place. Open it.
I'm sure you would like us to open Disneyland back up, so you can kill more humans.
Hey, listen. You overgrown pangolins think you're so cool with your walking on two legs and your naming things. I'm here to tell you, none of that matters. Reopen, close, reopen. Doesn't matter. Of course it's better for you all to stay indoors, but you can't do it because humanity is weak. Humanity is stupid. And I'm here to take full advantage. The time of man is over. The time of the virus is here. COVID-19 is forever.
Well, us humans do have our issues. That much is true. But this isn't our first rodeo. I think you'll be surprised by our resilience. That background. It looks really familiar.
Yeah, this is your place. That kid I met at Walmart, that kid was you. Welcome to the COVID-19 family.
Oh no! I've got COVID-19? Am I gonna die?
Probably.
No! No! Oh! It was just a bad dream. A dream within a dream. What won't happen during this pandemic? Unfortunately, the nightmare we're living through right now, we can't wake up from. It's real. But we can keep it from getting worse. Please have a happy, responsible 4th of July weekend. Wear a mask and stay away from other people for now. If you can. Stay safe out there, everybody.